Welcome to our good luck video for the unit B1C1P1 exam. As you are probably all very well aware, then you obviously are sitting your unit 1 exam tomorrow afternoon. So I just thought I'd give you a couple of last minute hints and tips to hopefully help you get the best grade you can in that exam tomorrow. So first of all, when you get your papers, what you need to remember is you've obviously got the 3 sections in there. It always follows the same format, so biology comes first, chemistry in the middle, and then physics at the end. Now that's not to say that you actually have to answer the paper in the order of the biology, the chemistry and the physics. You can pick where you want to start. So if you are feeling a little bit sort of lacking in confidence before going to the exam, but you know you're really good at chemistry, go to the chemistry section first and answer that to build your confidence. You can literally pick whichever section you want to start with and start there. Next thing is, when you are using the exam, don't forget that on the very back page you'll find a copy of the periodic table should you want to use it. You may not need it, but it's there should you want to. One page that you will definitely need to use in the exam is good old page 2, so the formula page. So we know that there are all the formulas on page 2 for us, and remember, for tomorrow's exam they're very useful in OCR and they put them in the sequence that they actually occur. So you only need these 4 at the very top. They're the only ones that can occur in the P1 exam paper. So you've got your specific heat capacity, specific latent heat, the energy efficiency, and then the wave speed calculation. So remember, those are there for you to use, and always go back and use them. You are allowed a calculator, so if you haven't put it in your bag yet, go and find it, put it in your bag, make sure you've got it. When you're doing any calculations, write down the working and then calculate the answer. Even if you fail to use your calculator then, or fail to copy it off the screen, you will get 1 of the 2 marks for the actual working. Next one is to attempt all of the questions. Even if you're not 100% certain, then you have a chance if you put a mark down, okay? If you literally leave a blank space, you have 0 chance of picking up any marks. So always write something, because you never know, you might be lucky. When we come on to any of those ones where you're asked to tick a certain number of boxes or draw a certain number of lines to join things together, make sure you only do the number it tells you to. Don't tick 3 boxes if it tells you to tick 2. When you're drawing the lines, don't be a smart one and try and draw these random little lines that go all over the shop. Get a ruler, or just use a straight line from your first choice to the second box. Examiners are not going to waste their time trying to work out where your little lines are doodling off into the distance. Go simple, make it clear, okay? If you do change your mind, make sure that you cross it out very clearly, or rub it out if you've done it in pencil, but make sure that your correct answer is very clear to the examiner. The only other thing you've got to do is remember to try your best. You've all put in an awful lot of hard work, you've been revising hard, I hope, and therefore when you go into that exam hall, go in knowing that you have put in the best effort you can. And the last thing, don't panic. I'm going to be there to see you in tomorrow in the afternoon, in one of the halls anyway, and don't forget to go to the library to pick up your chocolate bar and your water beforehand. So don't panic when you go in, you're going to be absolutely fine. I think you're all going to do brilliantly well, so believe in yourselves, like the rest of the science department believe in you too. Good luck, everyone.